say hi? Hi guys. Hi. All right, we're here in our dining room and we're about to make something incredible, which are these peanut butter balls that are no bake, and you guys absolutely love them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Will you eat peanut butter by themselves?
Yeah. Yeah.
Will you eat this by yourself? By itself?
No, I wouldn't, but I would eat it in a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay.
And I will with balls in it.
But with balls in it? Okay. Sounds okay. All right. So to make peanut butter balls, you need the following. You need a big bowl, spoons, hold up your spoons, creamy peanut butter, honey, oats, they could be quick, instant, usually really good, oatmeal, vanilla, flax seeds, cocoa powder, measuring cup, and spoons.
Well, where is the chocolate?
Right here.
What spoons?
So,
There's no spoons.
you have a spoon in here? Well, mixing.
Yeah, mixing gear.
You guys are mixing things.
So, what I like to do first is mix the wet ingredients first and then add the dry ingredients after that. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a half a cup of peanut butter.
You need any of this?
We need
Can I do it with you?
this.
Can I do
Yeah,
it?
do you want to get a small spoon?
Okay.
So I'll measure the half a cup and then you can use a spoon.
You can just dump it. Just dump it.
It's hard.
Alright, I'll do it.
No, I can do it.
Just dump it.
It won't work.
So Jack, while Ethan's doing that, do you want to put the vanilla in?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing a half a cup of peanut butter. We're doing 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Ooh, dump it. Thank you.
Well.
We're gonna do
vanilla.
1/3 cup.
This smells so good.
1/3 cup of honey.
And then it's my turn to. Why is there? We do. A spoon is not an ingredient. Can I take the spoon out?
You have to mix it.
No.
You want to mix it, Daddy?
That's fine. No, leave it on there. Leave it on the bowl.
Wait. Leave this.
Do you want to pour the honey in?
Whoa. With peanut
Got. Pour the honey in.
butter? Mix it.
All right, now you guys mix it.
Wow.
Ah, there's a spoon. We're not gonna mix the spoon.
Here, put the spoon in. All right.
Whoa.
Wash your hand.
Ew. Oh.
You mix it.
Okay.
I can mix it. There's a lot of.
All right. Next, we're gonna add.
How about I mix it and then you pour the things in.
Fine. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of instant oats. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon
Wow, this
of unsweetened cocoa powder. And last but not least, we're gonna do a half a cup of ground flax seeds. All right, we're almost out of flax seeds. Alexa, add ground flax seeds to the grocery list.
Ground flaxseed added to grocery.
How's it smell, Jack?
Good. It's not a peanut ball.
Oh, the chocolate.
All right, and that's it. So you mix it well. Turn it into a ball like this. It could be a little bit smaller. Here, try that. What do you think? Good?
Wow, very good.
Good. Okay. So that's it to making no-bake peanut butter balls. They're super healthy. There's a lot of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals in this. And this recipe makes about 20 peanut butter balls, probably about this big. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe we'll do one of these again in the future. What do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah?
maybe in a couple of days because we ate all the peanut butter balls yesterday in one day.
All right. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.